Hey, what's my flight tomorrow? Let's go. This shit.
Hey, listen. This is
We're not doing this, Bob. No.
This is what's going to happen. You're not going there over, Bob. No.
Bob?
Don't grab me. Don't grab me.
All right.
I didn't do anything.
We're done.
I didn't do anything.
We're done.
Hey, you punch me now. Why he's punching me?
Come over here.
Please don't do that.
On June 4th, 2025, a passenger at a Southwest Airlines gate was refused boarding after one shot at the airport bar. Within 10 minutes, he was face down on the terminal floor in handcuffs. How does a single drink end in a patrol car? And did anyone in this encounter actually act within their rights? The first thing to understand is that the boarding refusal was never a police decision. Under Title 14, Code of Federal Regulations, Section 1, 21.575. Air carriers are prohibited from boarding any person who appears intoxicated. This is a federal mandate. No officer on earth could have overridden it.
Who's in charge? Which one are you guys in charge?
We're equal. We're equals.
Okay. Do I seem intoxicated?
I've only been talking to you about 10 seconds, but I don't know yet. I haven't made that determination. How's that sound?
Okay, I got here. I had one shot at the bar, and I bought everybody a shot on Bob.
Hey, Bob. All right.
Okay, one shot.
Okay.
And then now they're saying I'm intoxicated. I'm not allowed on the plane, and that's bullshit.
Well, who said that?
An asshole down here. Let's go talk to the
Well, we're not going to go do that. And you know what we're not going to do either, Bob? Is swear like that. There's a lot of kids around, okay? So
nobody here.
I understand.
This is not cool.
So listen, I understand that you're very upset and emotions are kind of high up right here.
Fine, well, Jared's going to be out with me. It's going to be a trouble with customer, disorderly individual.
Okay, but what does that have to do with this situation?
How about I'm mad? I'm not intoxicated. I'm not intoxicated at all.
Okay, well, guess what?
We have no control over who they let fly and who they don't let fly. We can't do anything about that.
Bullshit. How about you guys go give this guy a stern warning so I can get on the plane?
We can't tell a private airline who to let fly.
You guys can't hook a brother up.
There's nothing. We have no
Do
control
I
over a
seem
private
drunk?
airline.
I'm not drunk. I'm angry.
Okay, you might be angry, you might be drunk. Like I said, I really haven't made that determination.
Do I seem drunk?
It
At the end of
seems
the day,
like you probably had something to drink and you admitted that
I
you
had
at least
one shot.
Okay,
one shot.
That's
you
fine.
can't get drunk on one shot.
And so they made that determination, a private entity, a private company, Southwest Airlines, I'm imagining that you were flying with today?
Yeah.
Okay. So they made that
You can't put a good word in for me.
No
It
matter
doesn't
if
matter
I
what
say
we
you're
say.
not drunk, they already said
We've
you're
done
not
this long
flying.
enough. They don't care. That
So
doesn't
Bob,
matter.
Waste of time.
So what we're going to do now, hey listen Bob, come here.
Now,
Oh God.
there we go.
This is what's going to happen now, okay? So now what
I'm
we're
going to get my shit and go.
Okay, well your shit's already all down there. So what we're going
I
to do...
have no idea where my shit
Right,
is.
I'm telling you it's down there. That's how you get it back, okay? So what we'll do is help you get your stuff so then you can then leave, okay? That's what we can help you with, okay? How's that sound?
Sounds great.
All right, it's right out this way.
Sounds fantastic.
Great. So let's walk out this way.
Name officer.
Jerose. Deputy Jerose. So we're going
Go this way.
Bob,
I'm going to go get my girlfriend if you don't mind.
Perfect. We'll walk right with you, Bob. Have fun. You look pretty intoxicated. Just by walking. So we're going to
Angry,
get your girlfriend, and we're going to get her out of here and you out of here. And then we're going to have a great rest of the day and not drink. Try to do it again tomorrow. How's that sound? Well, sounds good.
Oh, so much longer. We're going to deal with this.
Hey, what's my flight tomorrow? Let's go. This shit.
Hey, listen.
We're not doing this, Bob. No.
This is what's going to happen. You're not going there over, Bob. No.
Bob?
Don't grab me. Don't grab me.
All right.
I didn't do anything.
We're done.
I didn't do anything.
We're done.
Hey, you punch me now. Why he's punching me?
Come over here.
Please don't do that to him. Please.
Let me go.
516 hands on. 516 hands on.
Baby.
I didn't do anything.
This is here. Yep.
Dude. He's hitting me.
I got it.
Oh my goodness gracious. Wait until he's slow to say that.
I did shit.
He didn't do anything.
Slow it down.
He didn't do anything. He went and asked for help.
Yeah. Karina.
Baby.
Call 911 on
I'm
these
going
guys.
to. I'm going to.
Call 911 right now. I want state troopers there.
Why?
These guys. They're
It's me
assholes.
treating him.
I didn't do anything. 911. Call 911.
Shut up.
Call 911.
You're going down one.
No, call 911. I didn't do
All
anything.
airport units are out. We're good.
Can you stop? My shit is over
We
there.
tried to work with you before, Bob.
All right, my shit is over there.
We're gonna walk now.
How about I get to breathe?
Take all your shit.
Can I breathe?
Just fine.
Please.
Get out of office in 2 seconds.
Officers. Officers. Excuse me, sir. I want to breathe.
We're
Okay.
walking.
Please, stop. Fine. Just let me breathe. Just let me breathe, man. Just let me breathe.
over there.
You. Let me breathe.
Shut up, dumbass. Where do you
Why
think you're at?
are you
acting
calling me
like this?
dumbass?
Because you are.
I didn't do anything.
How old
to
are
you.
you? Can I get a wheelchair? I don't got one.
And act like a grown man, yeah?
I need to breathe, okay? I have anxiety.
Great, you're in recovery position. You're breathing just fine.
Can you just let me walk?
Yep, stand up.
I will
You wanna
be
stand
normal.
up?
I will be peaceful. Don't drag me. Just do this one.
We're
Don't
good.
drag me. This is not cool.
We're walking with you. Ain't dragging. If you walk, we walk.
No, you're dragging me. Doing your asses. How about I came and asked for help?
Yeah, how'd that work out for you?
Yeah, because you guys are assholes. Can you please let me go?
No.
You think I'm going anywhere?
Yeah, right in here.
No, you're not. That's for sure.
Alright, you guys gonna beat me up too?
Nope. Nope.
Eh?
Right where you're going.
Wanna get a broomstick up my ass?
Not at
Assholes?
Shut up. No.
How about you let me go? I'm not causing a
How about
problem.
you act like an adult that you are instead of an idiot?
Smell like a lot of booze. Walk.
I got it.
I do appreciate you guys taking it easy on me right now.
Yeah.
Thank
We
you.
were trying to do this whole time.
No, you guys were being assholes.
Yeah. Good.
Come here, little one.
Alright, how about it?
Go ahead. Take a seat.
Why are you guys pushing me?
Because you need to sit.
You put the air conditioning
Who
on?
is requiring? What? No.
I want my phone and I'm calling my lawyer.
Hey, stupid. This isn't
Right
Burger
now.
King.
You don't call me stupid. You,
Yep, okay.
Martel?
Yep. Make sure
Yeah,
you spell
don't
it
call
right.
me stupid. Do I look stupid?
Yes, you do.
No.
You're a drunk, stupid idiot right now.
Alright, I want my phone.
It's not
I want
Burger
my
King.
girlfriend.
You're not getting either one of those.
No, I want my phone and I want my girlfriend.
Do you see where you're at right now?
I don't care, dude.
Okay.
You think I give a shit?
Okay.
I
You
got
care when we
nothing.
take you to the jail.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Today's Wednesday. Pre-arraigned detainee. You'll sit there. Colony court's not till tonight.
Oh, maybe because you were hitting the retard all day.
Yeah, okay, I hit that this morning.
No.
You.
Keep acting up.
All right, take a seat. Take a seat.
Sit down! Before we put you down. You think you're
I
at?
don't know who the you are, but you're an asshole.
Yeah,
You're right. I'm paid to be an asshole. Therefore, I'm a professional asshole.
I want my phone.
You're not getting your phone.
I want my phone.
No.
I'm calling my lawyer right
I'm not
now.
calling anybody.
That. That's bullshit. That's against the law.
No, it's not.
I want my lawyer. Give me my phone. I'm calling my lawyer, and he's gonna you up.
Okay.
That's what's gonna happen.
You're going to jail for now? You're going to see the judge later?
I'm not going to jail.
Yo, you're going to jail. You're going to be there until you go see the judge.
Yeah. That.
You see the judge at 6 o'clock tonight.
All right, I need to make my phone call now.
You're not making a phone call. You're not entitled to make a phone call here. You're not entitled to make a phone call till you get to jail.
Excuse me, who's in charge? Me. You? All right, Mario Committee, I want him right now on the phone. Why'd you tackle me like that? Bullshit! I didn't do anything wrong.
That don't matter. It should pull.
Kidding me? Why does the computer shit suck here? Woody Woodpecker over here pecking away for 2 hours.
Dude, I was dying.
Woody Woodpecker.
That's fine.
I own a company, computer company. I can punch 40 words a minute.
That's good. I did
Yeah.
about 39.
Yeah. Well, still kick either one of your asses with one hand.
What are you doing right now?
I'm standing.
Why?
Just so I can breathe. You think you needed to tackle me at the table? Think about it, okay? Just because I'm bigger and stronger and nastier than both of you doesn't mean you have to treat me like shit. I'm a goddamn president. I have 34 people. My payroll is $2.6 million, asshole. How about you ask me nicely?
Yes, sir.
It's not fair. I want everybody's names. Yeah, and you know what? If I didn't think I'd get in a shitload of trouble, I'd rip this thing off the wall, kick the shit out of both of you.
I don't care. Do it.
No, you guys are assholes. How about the way you handled me? I'm a president of a company. I command respect. I respect people.
Yeah, I started my own company too. I'm a president too.
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
You pay $2.5 million in payroll? I don't think so.
It's really not that much.
2.5 million?
Yeah.
30 people?
Yeah. Average that
All right,
out.
do the math.
Yeah, it's not that much.
All right, you're a stud, dude. You should scratch your balls. Dude, I'm not drunk. You think I'm drunk? I'm
Yeah, I was
pissed.
contradicting.
Okay. Yeah.
No,
So that's what's
this
gonna
is
happen.
okay. I schooled both these guys. I said next time, because
Words.
I'm
Words.
no. How about yeah,
Words.
yeah.
Yeah.
Don't tackle me in a restaurant. Douchebag and douchebag. You think I would have went calm? I would have went calm. I own a company. I have a lot to lose. Don't tackle me in a goddamn restaurant, in public, in a airport. You cunts. Listen, how about this, officer?
Sir.
Check this shit out. Can I get out of here now?
Yes,
We're gonna have you stand up. We're
absolutely.
gonna put your handcuffs behind your back, and then we're gonna bring you over to the jail. You're gonna sit there for a couple hours, and then you're gonna go to court. Okay? Just like we've explained to you a couple times now.
Listen, my lawyer said that I'm not going to
And your
jail.
lawyer's
You're
gonna
not
meet
going
you in
to
court.
jail.
You're not gonna be booked into the jail. You're gonna wait there for a couple hours.
And cuffs?
No, you will be out of cuffs when you get to the jail.
Boy, this is the first time, guys.
I'm sorry that.
And just so
this
you know,
happened to you.
I offered, if he apologized and he apologized, I would not press charges.
Well, you know the kids, right?
I don't care, dude.
All right.
No, now they're getting hammered.
Do me a favor and face that wall, please.
Yeah, whatever. I'll rip this thing off the
I'm
wall.
just gonna grab this from you, okay?
Just get me out of here.
Perfect. I'm gonna put you all over there.
You put him on tight, dude. I'm going to punch somebody.
Okay.
Thank you. That's not too bad. I appreciate that.
Oh, this is going to be a little uncomfortable.
How about all they had to do was apologize and I wasn't going to press charges, dude?
Sorry to,
They're too proud.
that we're in this.
Little assholes. Yeah.
Listen.
Now I'm pressing charges.
Okay. Whoa, easy. Scott, we're trying to
Listen,
get
dude,
these on the
take
right
it
way.
easy on me, please.
I'm trying.
Okay,
Put your
you
hand
think
down
I
like that.
deserve this shit?
Whoa, I'm trying to double lock them so they don't get tight on you.
Alright, well, anyway, this one's tight on the left side
They're
now.
both 2 fingers right in there.
This is all the stuff in the brown paper bag.
Yes, sir.
I still want my phone. I need to call my lawyer. My phone. I'm gonna lose my shit.
Alright, walk right up this way. We're gonna take a left.
You never gave me water either,
Okay, you're
assholes. Don't push me.
I'm not. You can take a right.
Don't push me.
I'm literally not.
All right. Where's my shit?
It's all with us.
Listen. I'm not leaving here without my phone. Listen. I'm not leaving here without my phone.
Guy, we're not going to fight with you, okay?
I'm not leaving here without my phone.
You're still.
It's my right. I want my phone. My phone is not in there, young lady.
It's open.
I want my goddamn phone, officer.
What did I tell you I did with it?
Come on.
Yeah, you gave it to my girlfriend. Great.
Come on.
She doesn't know what to do with it.
Come on. We'll sit down. You don't trust me?
No, it's not cool. I want my phone.
Listen,
It's not
I'm
yours.
not fighting with
I'm
you.
gonna have a heyday on you guys. I can't even fit in this car.
That's Saturday
That's
in
for
there.
comfort. Here, I'm going to put the seatbelt on you so you don't...
I don't want a
That's too
seatbelt.
bad.
You guys feel like studs?
Notice what the officers do here. They offer to escort him out with his luggage. This is textbook de-escalation. And for about 3 minutes, it appears to be working. Then the encounter turns. The legal question now shifts to Graham versus Connor. Decided in 1989, force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. The court identified 3 factors: the severity of the offense, the immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting, applied to this moment. The underlying offense is minor, but the subject has made explicit threats and refused to continue toward the exit. A controlled ground stabilization, without strikes or weapons drawn, is proportional force. The Fourth Amendment analysis favors the officers. Even if the optics are uncomfortable, when he says he cannot breathe, listen to the officer's response. Recovery position. Verbal acknowledgement. Continued monitoring. This is post-Floyd training on camera, and it will matter enormously if this case ever reaches a jury. The custodial arrest itself is supported by Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, where the Supreme Court held that full custodial arrest is permissible even for minor misdemeanors, provided probable cause exists. The subject's threats supplied that probable cause. Legally, the officers are on solid ground. But watch what happens at the holding area. The officers call a handcuffed citizen a dumbass and a stupid idiot. This violates no constitutional provision, but it breaches the IACP Code of Ethics, and in any civil suit under Title 42. Section 1983. This is the footage a plaintiff's attorney will play on loop. The officers receive a C-. Their initial de-escalation was sound. Their restraint technique was correct, and their force was legally defensible. What pulls the grade down is the verbal unprofessionalism during detention. Composure under provocation is not optional. It is the job. The subject receives a D+, a legitimate frustration. But he refused every off-ramp offered to him and supplied the probable cause for his own arrest through explicit threats. His one credit is that he did not physically resist once the takedown began, a choice that likely spared him additional charges. The department receives a C. Correct handcuff technique and recovery position awareness show that tactical training reached these officers. The holding area conduct shows that emotional regulation training did not. A department is judged by how its officers speak when provoked. The first lesson is for citizens. A boarding dispute cannot be won at the gate. Federal regulation gives airlines unreviewable discretion. The only remedy is civil, pursued later through counsel. Threatening an officer guarantees a minor inconvenience becomes a criminal record. The second lesson is for officers. The moment a subject is handcuffed, every word spoken to them is evidence. Name-calling helps no one except the plaintiff's attorney who will one day depose you. Composure is part of the uniform. The third lesson is for departments. Physical restraint training without emotional regulation training produces officers who are legally competent but professionally fragile. The cost of that gap is measured in settlements and lost public trust. Invest in both, or expect results like these. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.